how to add filters to your WhatsApp video calls. So if you want to add filters to your WhatsApp video calls, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, if you're trying to add a filter to your WhatsApp video call, and if it's not possible, then let me tell you one thing, that with the newest update, we have the filters option. So you just need simply open up your WhatsApp, or first we need to go with your Play Store, and on your Play Store you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching your WhatsApp on your Play Store, if you have any updates, then you just need simply go and update your WhatsApp. Once you've updated, then you need to go back, tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, and then go with the app info, which is the icon, and from here you need to go with storage and cache, and after that go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and open up your WhatsApp, and from here you need to go with a video call. And once you go with a video call, on the bottom you will have your filters. So start a video call. So as you can see that once you're on your video call, then on the bottom right you will have the filter or the effects option right below the camera. So you need to just simply tap on that, and once you tap on it, you will have effects, filters or backgrounds. So you can go and change your effect or filters or your background on your WhatsApp video call in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.